Here's how busy our city downtown is. Still collecting with people and the merchandise here at the Nike City People's Mall. This is last day of 2017. It's still we're hoping for that on I'm still having a cold. Sit. Happy New Year, everyone.